My underlying motivation for doing the work that I do is that we are one life. We are one connected being. While we have many different forms, we are one life. And we feel best for humans, this is focused on humans and the education of humans. Animals have an innate understanding of the oneness of life. Telepathy, the word itself, tele is distance and pathy is feeling. So it's feeling across a distance. What is actually happening is instead of looking at an animal as an object, we are connecting with them as a thinking, feeling being, as a fellow being. How you know what's happening is that the animals perceptively change. They respond very positively when you actually understand them rather than just thinking about them and projecting your own ideas about them. There is a skill involved in learning how to, but it's more focused on kind of dropping in with the wild animals in their presence. So a lot of the focus is on who these individuals are, how they are individuals, and how this relates to all the wild animals all over the planet. As we connect more and more with all of life and all beings and feel the oneness, we get into a state of peace and joy.